Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you a lesson I gathered from reliable sources on the internet. It's all about introduction to computers, including the different types of computers and other related concepts. I've improved and organized the content to make it easier to understand, especially for beginners. So let's get started. Have you ever used a computer? Did you wonder what else can you do with them? Welcome, you're in the right track. This lesson will give you an overview of computers, what they are, what are the types, and what you can do with them. So let's have the introduction to computers. Try to answer the following question. What is a computer? What is the difference between hardware and software? What are the types of computers? So what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. Among the many uses of computers are to type documents, send email, play games, and browse the web. It can also be used to edit or create spreadsheets, presentations, and even videos. The two important terms relating to computers are hardware and software. Everything you do on your computer will rely on both hardware and software. So hardware versus software. Hardware is any part of your computer that has physically structure, such as the keyboard or mouse. It also includes all of the computer's internal parts, while software is any set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do and how to do it. Example of software we include web browsers, games, and word processors. Now let's have types of computers. First is desktop computers. Desktop computers are designed to be placed on a desk, and they're typically made up of few different parts, including the computer case, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. We have the monitor, the system unit, the keyboard, and mouse. So these are the physical parts of computer desktop. Now the next one is laptop computers. Laptop computers are battery-powered computers that are more portable than desktops, allowing you to use them almost anywhere. The next type of computer is tablet computers. Tablet computers or tablets are handheld computers that are even more portable than laptops. Instead of a keyboard and mouse, tablets use a touch-sensitive screen for typing and navigation. So this is another type of computer. We have server. A server is a computer that serves up information to other computers on a network. For example, whenever you use the internet, you are looking at something that is stored on a server. Many businesses also use local file servers to store and share files internally. First, let's have smartphones. These are cell phones that can do a lot of things computers can do, including browsing the internet and playing games. Wearables. Wearable technology is a general term for a group of devices, including fitness trackers and smart watches, that are designed to be worn throughout the day. Next is game consoles. A game console is a specialized type of computer that is used for playing video games on your TV. Here are some key examples of game consoles. Next one is TVs. Many TVs now include applications or apps that let you access various types of online content. For example, you can stream video from the internet directly on your TV. PCs and Macs. Personal computers are come in two main styles. We have PC and Mac. Both are fully functional, but they have a different look and feel, and many people are prefer one or the other. Let's have PCs. This type of computer began with the original IBM PC that was introduced in 1981. Other companies began creating similar computers, which were called IBM PC compatible, often shortened to PC. Today, this is the most common type of personal computer, and it typically includes the Microsoft Windows operating system. IBM PC stands for International Business Machines Corporation's personal computer. Now we have computer design evolution from 1976, 1977, 1980, 1983. Go 1984, 1986, 1987, 1995, 1998, 2002, 2004, 2009. Now let's have Macs. It was introduced in 1984, and it was the first widely sold personal computer with a graphical user interface or GUI, pronounced GUI. All Macs are made by one company or Apple, and they almost always use the Mac OS X operating system. So now let's have our short quiz. Good luck!